when out working, if you see a free feed, never hesitate, get the catch. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. Alright, how you going? Shane here from Bueng Kan in Thailand. Probably not going to go away for another 2 weeks, so I might take you out to a couple of rubber farms where we're cutting the palm oil today. We've got quite a few workers out there cutting all the palm so we can sell it. Right now I'm on the Mekong River. Take a look at this. That's Laostas over there, and this is Bueng Kan. Alright, we're going to take the motorbike again. Alright, let's go. Alright, I've just got to the farm. This is what we're cutting today, palm oil. Take a look. This stuff is really spiky and dangerous, and it's covered in ants. Alright, the first farm I've come to, I found this little truck, so there might be someone here. It's a beast, isn't it? Alright, we've got palm trees scattered out this whole rubber farm. We'll go for a ride, see if we can find them. Well, that farm I was at, there was no one there. I thought they'd all gone home for an early lunch, but I've come to another farm about 500 metres down the road. Here we are. Howdy Cup! Come get a job in Thailand. Easy peasy. No worries, mate. Yung yot.
Dép đạp một em. Boy, cái chiếc của con.
These palm branches are that spiky and that dangerous. If you stand on them and it goes in your foot's going to like blow up for about a week. It's going to get so sore. When out working, if you see a free feed, never hesitate, get the catch. Take a look at this. Where is it? New. Yeah. You can pick him up. He's bloody caught a snake. Take it over to eat it. Go for a ride. found some mushrooms in the ground. Another free feed. We had a big storm here last night and another big branch is down. I built this little area. I was going to have a little barbecue area. Look at the signs I brought back from Australia. Hey, hello! Hello, Wolf! Okay, it's freaking hot. This pile here is about 6 men, 2 days already, and they're going to go back tomorrow for more. We've still got more palm out there. Let's go have a beer. Focus. Okay, before we go home, we'll have a beer on the Mekong. Take a look at this.
What would you like?
Hello. Can I have a Leo Kabonk?
Okay.
Yen, yen, yen. There's other flung drinky. Come and have a look. Mekong River, just over there's Laos. There's going to be another storm coming. Take a look at that. One more beer?
Okay.
We've got the palm buyer coming out the farm today. Before we do that, we've got to go to Tesco to get my new glasses that I sat on last night.
They have 2 of these at the back.
Okay.
อ๋อขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay, let's not sit on these ones. Wife's looking at a new Honda CRV. She's already got one. This is the palm buyer. He's going to buy the palm off us. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks. See you in the next one. Out.